All right, take one. Reduction to practice of patent 8436261. Cantilever beam. We have a downsized reduction to practice here. Here's our cantilever beams. And this is the proximal end where they are attached, and per the patent there are strain gauges approximately there and there, approximately there and there, and then on the other side, which is yet covered by its protective cover, we have the same thing. We have a known placement of the strain gauges. The device will operate on battery and will operate wirelessly, although we're not doing it that way at the moment. We are connected to our software friend in Tennessee who's working on the code for us. And rather than be permanently attached anywhere, the reader box is held down with tape. But that's what you get for a prototype. Now, first thing we're going to do is tear it like any digital scale. All right. Well, let's try tear again. Maybe it needs to be torn twice. I want to see it go to 0. There we are. Okay. Miss Erin, will you take the camera, please?
Yes, I can.
All right, now, could you actually stand here? I want you to get a shot of the reader. Okay. All right, now, bring the camera over here. I'm going to put on a piece of wood that, I guess it weighs maybe 8 pounds. All right, focus in on what happens to the scale of the screen when I put this piece of wood on. All right, let the weight settle down. Okay, notice that the cursor moves to where the weight is centered. It's out at the far end and approximately in the middle. Okay. This is a weight that we believe weighs about 50 pounds because it says 50 pounds here. We haven't calibrated it, but we're trusting it for now. All right. Okay. It looks like it's settled in. We're going to put on another weight that we think weighs a little less than 50 pounds. It used to weigh 50 pounds, but it's been damaged, so it weighs like 49 and a half. But it's the right shape. All right. Miss Erin?
Yes.
Bring the camera over this way. I am going to stack what is this? Nominal 50 pounds that we think weighs 51.4. Okay, put the camera on the screen. Okay, let it settle down.
I think it already has.
All right, get a shot so the people can see where the weight is. It's off to one side, just like it says. This is the least accurate part of the scale. The closer we get to the proximal end, the more accurate it is, but We're using it where it is least accurate. All right, another 50-pound nominal that we think weighs 50.99 according to the commercial bathroom scale. So, all right, you got a shot of where that is?
Mm-hmm.
Can you get the screen?
I think it has settled in.
Okay, what? Give us a reading there.
211.
211 pounds. That looks about right.
0.3.
Okay, here's another nominal 45, but we think it weighs 49. Again, sticking it on a common scale, but that's what we're working with for now. So that should come somewhere around 260 pounds. Get the screen. Where are we at?
260.9.
Ah, well, we're doing better than we thought. That's right out of the box. Okay. The second last weight I'm going to add is another 49.4. And again, it's going to be all the way off to one side. I'll put it out here. Really get that weight off centered. All right, so if you were, say, a fork truck operator and you were picking up this load, you'd have to know that it's, you know, it's a dangerous situation because the load is off center. Okay, now I am going to stand on this myself. Okay, and I probably weigh somewhere around 220, and I've got boots on and change in my pocket, my wallet, and everything else. So, watch the scale.
$469.6. Nope. 501.6.
Okay, now I'm going to pick up this 25-pound weight. We think that weight weighs 25 pounds because it's a check weight.
I think it has settled in.
Okay.
524. 521 now. 0.9.
Okay, Mr. Liam, could you come here momentarily?
Changing.
What?
Here, will you step on that bar? Do you have a way to step on that bar and step over there safely?
This?
Yeah.
Or over it?
No, step on that weight, step on that bar.
Jeez.
Okay, don't let any of your foot be on the orange. Your foot has to all be on the bar.
It's flashing. I think I probably should have put on shoes.
You probably should have put on shoes, but
It's hurting my feet.
okay,
I'm putting all my weight on the bars.
okay.
Is that a good thing or a bad thing?
Well, just don't let your weight touch any of the orange material. It's got to all be on the bar. All right. Well, that's okay. Liam, would you step off, please?
Thank you.
Okay. Very good.
Okay.
So it's returned well.
Yeah.
That's all the weight we have. You know, the capacity is somewhere around 2,000 or 2,500 pounds. So we don't have that much weight. This is all the weights that we have. We'll have to go get more weights. And get a shot of that other patent up there, that one at the front. Can you, the first one? That's the other one that we have to do. This one here. This one. Oh, that doesn't have the patent number. They just got the application number. But yeah, that one's a patent now. That one's granted, and you can kind of see where we're going with this technology. Thank you.